Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue Northwest, Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our pre-owned units. It is a 2015 RX350 Touring Package in the Claret Mica finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a one-owner, local Alberta car with a clean accident-free Carfax. Some of the features do include projector-style HID headlamps with the auto-leveling headlamp system, LED daytime running lights, headlamp washers, front and rear park assist sensors, keyless entry with the push-to-start ignition, headlamp washer switch, power liftgate, fuel door release, blind spot monitor, driver's seat memory seating, power folding side mirrors, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, power adjustable front seating, hands-free controls, multimedia display with navigation and the integrated backup camera, center locking differential, heated and ventilated front seats, sunroof, parchment interior in great shape, and of course comes with the built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.